This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring your iPad runs a recent iPad OS so widgets are available. Check settings if unsure. Once done, unlock and swipe right to reveal Today view where widgets live. Make sure to tap Edit at the bottom or long press an app icon on the home screen to bring up the widget gallery. This gives you the available sizes and app widgets to add. You'll want this view open before continuing to place and size widgets precisely. You pick a widget from the gallery and choose a size that fits your layout. Small for glanceable info, medium for more content, large for dashboards. Then drag the widget to Today view or drop it onto the home screen. Make sure icons realign and spacing suits your workflow. Once placed, long press the widget and choose Edit Widget to connect accounts, switch sources, or set refresh frequency so the widget shows useful, up-to-date information. You finish by fine-tuning layout. Enter jiggle mode to move widgets, create stacks by dropping one on another, and reorder for quick access. Once satisfied, press Done to lock the layout and test that widget's update. If a widget is stuck or blank, remove it and re-add, then confirm the app has permission to refresh in background and has network access. As a last resort, restart the iPad to clear temporary issues and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.